2006 started functioning from the Meltron building, and now having a self-building that is at plot number J3/2 MIDC Industrial Area, Chikalthana, having a 10 acres of land provided by the state government, 50% share of the state government as well as the central government. State government provided the land and building, as well as the central government provided the machineries. And having a full-fledged center, started full-fledged operation since 2011. Having an administrative block, tool room, plastic processing division, plastic testing laboratory, plastic mold design division, CAD/CAM and computer-aided engineering center, then hydraulics and pneumatic and maintenance lab, fully furnished laboratory, conference hall, video conference hall, auditorium, as well as the boys and girls hostel for the long-term training programs as well as the short-term training programs. These are some snapshots. As well as in the technical services concern, CPET is, as I told you, that is a skill star, that is a star concept is there, skill, technology. So technology support services, that is the technical developmental services CPET is providing, testing and quality control services, product and mold design and fabrication, job orders in processing and tool room, application development, consultancy and advisory services, research and development, information and documentation. These are the technical services CPET is giving or providing. In the case of the testing, CPET is having a various facilities, that is a computerized universal testing machine as well as the other plastic raw material testing facilities, machineries, as well as the product testing machineries. In plastic processing department, as this is CPET, as I told you, that is a unique institution where we are providing the services, the technical services to the industries, where the machineries are running. Students are getting knowledge on the various molds, those who are coming from the different industries for their particular developmental purpose or for the job work purpose. So the CPET is having that is a state-of-the-art machineries, that is advanced machines, that is injection molding, that is from the L&T 80 ton to Ferromatic 350 ton injection molding machine, as well as the JSW all-electric injection molding machines. Then 275 ton, that is a two-color injection molding machine, as well as apart from this having a blown film plant, rotational molding machines, thermoforming, blow molding machines, and all these runnings, all these machines are the advanced machines where the students are getting trained in the various shifts in 24 hours. So these are the snapshots of the various machines. As well as CPET is having, in the technical service, CPET is providing the technical services to the, in the case of the tooling and designing of the mold and dies. So CPET is having that is the CNC milling machines as well as CNC lathe, EDM, wire cut. These are the CNC machines. Apart from this, that is the conventional machines are also there. The students are get trained from the conventional machines to the CNC machines. These are the different dies as well as the molds CPET has developed for the industries of the nearby region. Then activities in CAD/CAM, that is imparting long-term and short-term training on CAD/CAM and CAE softwares. There are more than 125 workstations in the CPET Aurangabad, that is the CAD/CAM department, having various softwares there for the modeling, assembly and detailing of the parts, design and development of the various plastic products and molds, computer-aided manufacturing for mold parts, machining in CNC machines, as well as analyzing of plastic parts for fill, flow, cool and warpages. These are the different softwares, that is ANSYS, Solid Edge and CAM Express, SolidWorks 2014, Mastercam 8.0, as well as AutoCAD 2014, ProE, Unigraphics, CATIA, then Autodesk Moldflow 2014. These are the various softwares. These softwares are utilized by the different industries, our trainees, as well as for the short duration training programs, as well as implant training, students are also utilizing these facilities. These are the different products those CPET has developed and converted some of the and supported industries for the development of the different plastic component from the metal. Then recognition and accreditation. CPET is all the CPET centers are ISO 9001 2008 certified institution, as well as enable accredited laboratories in mechanical and chemical fields, as well as that is ISO 17020 for the testing, third party inspection and testing, as well as recognized by the Bureau of Indian Standard for 25 plastic products for the benefit of the plastic industries. Apart from this, that is the Government of Maharashtra recognized CPET plastic testing laboratory and issued a GR and directed the various directorates to utilize the plastic product testing laboratory of CPET for the any procurements from the Maharashtra, any procurements from the government organization related with the plastic and allied, they have to send their products for testing to the plastic industries of the CPET. So Government of Maharashtra has also recognized plastic testing laboratory. Apart from this, CPET is also vocational training center, vocational training provider, as well as under the Maharashtra State Skill Development Society. CPET also registered for the Maharashtra State Skill Development Society, and under this various modules, the registration of vocational training provider under Skill Development Initiative scheme. So there was apart from this, CPET is also with the active support of the Petrochemicals Department, Chemical and Fertilizer Ministry. CPET is also taking active participation for the National Award scheme, that is for the technology innovation for the plastic, promoted by the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Government of India. So, so like there is a skill development as well as the Make in India. There is a vision of our Prime Minister. So on that way, CPET is running its skill development as well as Make in India program. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
भरने जी, आपके पास एक फैसिलिटी और है, मैंने देखा था, पाइप प्लांट भी आपके पास।
हाँ, पाइप प्लांट भी हम लोग
कर गए हैं, बताना।
पाइप प्लांट भी है, ब्लोन फिल्म प्लांट भी हम लोगों के पास में।
पेट औरंगाबाद बहुत ही अच्छी फैसिलिटी है, मैंने विजिट की थी वहाँ पे।
कंपोजिट्स में भी कुछ काम है? हाँ, कंपोजिट्स में भी काम है। और ये जो आपकी ई लाइब्रेरी आप जो बोल रहे हैं, हाँ, तो हमारे वीआई में भी ई लाइब्रेरी की पूरी फैसिलिटी बढ़ रही है जनवरी में। तो कैन यू शेयर अवर हमारे कंप्यूटर का? Yeah, definitely. We'll discuss the modalities. Definitely. Sure. बिल्कुल। बस वो अवेलेबल हो जाएगी। यहाँ के लोगों को वहाँ नहीं आना पड़ेगा, यहीं से ही लाइब्रेरी है।
Okay, thank you, sir. Good evening to one and all. Myself, Arun Prasad. I am working as a technical officer in CAD/CAM. I have joined CPET on CPET 2008. So with this, I once again welcome all the dignitaries and VAA industry persons for this interaction meet. So my department is on CAD/CAM. Mainly we conduct these training programs on various engineering colleges. We make a tie-up with engineering colleges, and at the college premises we execute this CAD CAE programs. Also, with the help of this CAD softwares, we are supporting some of the design activities. So I will show some of them. So this is a 2-cavity injection mold where we done this mold design with the help of Unigraphics software. So we also design, we also teach to the students how to mold design for any plastic components, injection, whereas blow mold or compression mold, how to do the design, how to select the plate sizes. So this is also a split mold for injection. This is a small blow mold bottle. This is also a blow mold. This is a bush used in agriculture. This is a threaded cap. Inside it will be having threaded, and we have developed this. So this is again bush. Rat trap material in industry, you can see for trapping the rats they are using. We have converted into plastics. Single part we have made this. So I will show you the assembly in next presentation. So this is the mold development for that. So this one party has came. CPET has made many entrepreneurs. I can give you some of the examples. एक party आया था, just he was bringing a ID card. He was not much मतलब strong in his financial, but he bought an ID card. He told me to develop minimum 4 impressions, that is minimum 4 shots. So we developed the mold for around 40,000 and we gave him. So he supplied all over schools. 30,000 order he took from the schools. He supplied that identity card. Again he developed as an entrepreneur. Like this same this coin box, one party has came, he told to develop. Again he is selling in local markets. Small entrepreneurs, they can get confidence and they can bring their products. We can do the mold design. So this is a helmet which is used in dental colleges. So this is a metal part we converted into plastic part. I will show you the metal part in next slide. This is a switch box. Market price, these 2 boxes 150 rupees. So one party came, he developed so we developed a single impression of this top part and bottom part. मतलब 150 रुपीस लेके वो मार्केट से खरीद रहा है, तो अपना सेल्फ मोल्ड बनाया, खुद का मोल्ड बना के देन ही सप्लाइड टू लोकल शॉप्स. उसका बिजनेस अच्छा अभी अच्छा चल रहा है. इसका टॉप पार्ट है. So this is the presentation from our design department. I will show you our tool room department. So various blow molds we can manufacture. निर्लैप इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए हम लोग पंच बनाया था, होल्स, और एक ड्रिल बिट बॉक्स है जो टूल्स डाल सकता है इसके अंदर. So मतलब whatever the design I have shown now, this is converted into the manufacturing. Here you can see जो लास्ट स्लाइड्स में आप लोग जो कंपोनेंट्स देखा, दैट इज नॉट ओनली अ डिजाइन, हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर भी करके पार्टी को दिया. दैट फोटोग्राफ स्नैपशॉट्स है वो सब. So this ये तीन प्रोडक्ट आप लोग देख सकते हैं. इससे बहुत एक पार्टी ने बहुत अच्छा मार्केट डेवलप किया. ही हैज मेड ए अलमारी वेयर this length product na he kept it and he supported with wooden blocks. I will show you the photographs I am having in my mobile. Piercing tool for nearby industries we have developed, and this is a 4 impression medicine packing tube, half-liter bottle, 1-liter blow mold bottle. This is a nylon bush used in agriculture. So this is the outer cap for 1-liter bottle. 50 ml bottle blow mold. So आप लोग देख सकते हैं. I told this rat trap now. One single product we have converted. From there we have assembled. तो मतलब in metal आप लोग देखेंगे ना, it was a assembly of more to 2 to 3 products. But in plastics, one product we have made, we have assembled it in other, and we have made some locks. I will show you this. These are the locks to hold this. So electrical switch box का mold है. Earlier that was a here you can see this product. It was in wooden. This piece was in metal and this handle was in wooden. So we converted into plastics. So this also good market in Aurangabad. Mainly small persons, they come and they develop this compound, they go to the market and they sell, they get the confidence, again they come with a new product. So these are some of the job works. We have wire cut, EDM machine, CNC milling machine as well as lathe machine. CNC milling machine up to in x-axis we can go for 2000 mm. Very big machine we are having. So you can just have a look. Thank you. So I look forward if any type of this mold development or job work, you can directly contact us. Every week, Friday, Saturday will be available. And apart from this, any technical programs like mold design programs for industry persons, product design, mold design for any colleges or any advanced CAD/CAM programs, also we can organize with the help of this college, and we can tie up and we can make the MOUs. So, thank you.
Thank you, Arun Prasad. One thing I will like to make clear, that they not only design the mold, they manufacture the molds and they can do the job work also. I've seen people were doing job work on injection molding machines at Aurangabad. So if you have any product, you can also get the right product also.
If you give you the product, can you also find out what is the composition of the material? Yeah. Whether it is PVC or PC or... Yeah, identification of the material. Apart from the what are the filler contents are there, any one or two number of that is the blends are there, we can identify it. Okay.
Now the floor is open for question and answer.
Yes, at the one roof that is training, as well as designing, tooling, processing, as well as the that is testing is there. Third party inspection, like that. UV, yeah, whatever the actually UV testing facilities, that means whatever there may be, for example, if you are adding UV stabilizer in a particular material for the development of any product. So in that case, what will be the effect of the particular UV whenever we are keeping that particular product in the UV atmosphere, and before bombarding the ultraviolet rays on that particular product, and after bombardment of the UV rays on that particular product. So what will be the retention on that particular product we are testing in our laboratory. Okay. All CPET centers having a same facilities. CPET Aurangabad is also having a facility.
Can you also find out whether UV has been added or not? Or it is by only bombardment you can follow?
Yeah, UV, our CPET Chennai center is having a facility to find out the percentage of the UV.
The raw material also, suppose we buy a master batch, UV master batch, and give it to you. So can you give the percentage of UV in that?
Yeah, at Chennai. We are having a facility at CPET Chennai.
Can you also study the aging effect?
Yeah, yeah.
How long the product will last in natural environment, or it get bombarded with environment?
No, we will do, but we'll correlate with the natural.
There are some standards
are there.
which will.
Most of the government departments asking
Hmm.
the UV stabilized material. So that is, I think it is nowadays a must for the industries. How many percent UV stabilizer is to be added, so that for continuous rays, how long it will stay in the product. Because all engineering product and like anything model, if you are manufacturing a tank or pipe, agriculture pipe, it gets deteriorated with the sunlight. So UV is must nowadays. Everything is converting rather than from steel to plastic.
I think the accelerated weatherability test, it is the same for all this?
Yeah. Accelerated weathering.
It is one of the part in that. The UV test is one of the part. Weather aging
Yeah, we are having a facility there.
at Chennai.
No, Aurangabad also.
Aurangabad also.
And volume resistivity.
Yeah, at Chennai.
Chennai and Ahmedabad
Even
and Lucknow, Bhopal.
Bhopal we are doing, but also given to Aurangabad, they get it done from outside.
Yeah. Yeah, sure, sir. Pardon, sir? Yeah, our that is a Chennai center has done the research work. Our means Chennai, that is Higher Learning Center at Chennai, R&D center at Chennai, as well as that is in Kochi and Bhubaneswar.
There are some standards.
Some that is standards are there.
Double zero
Okay.
is there for testing methods.
Yeah.
That depends upon how much
Decomposition. Yeah.
Sir, CPET Chennai is doing all biodegradability studies. They do have facility for that. Or plastic waste.
Yeah, that is a plastic waste management center at Guwahati as well as at Chennai. So they are doing the research work on that plastic that is recycling.
Anything particular in packaging material, because polyester and naphthalene cells,
Hmm.
pouches now. Anything particular in that? Making anything out of this
Plastic
packaging, the pouches.
pouches. हाँ, हमारे दो स्पेशलाइज सेंटर है प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए, वहाँ बनाए जाते हैं सभी चीज़ें। हाँ, होता है। और अभी ऑल ओवर इंडिया में भी हम लोग काफ़ी सारी जगह में वो जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो ये था कि सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट और प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर हम लोग अलग अलग जगह सेमिनार्स आयोजित कर रहे हैं, जिसमें औरंगाबाद में भी हाल ही में हुआ था। उसमें भी हम लोगों ने उसके बारे में लोगों को जानकारी दी थी, और उस सेमिनार के द्वारा, और different experts from the various industries and those who are already involved in that particular plastic solid waste management, उनको भी हम लोगों ने आमंत्रित किया था। और साथ साथ में रैक पिकर्स एंड जो डिफरेंट सोशल एक्टिविस्ट जो इन्वॉल्व है उसमें सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट और प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, उनको भी आमंत्रित करके उस सेमिनार में हम लोगों ने लोगों से माने एक दूसरे से जो ये था नॉलेज का आदान प्रदान, उसमें हम लोगों ने ये किया था उसमें। हाँ, होता है ना। नहीं, प्लास्टिक्स का दाना वगैरह डेवलप करना मीन्स उसको तो पहले हाँ हाँ, उससे तो बन जाता है ना। हाँ, कर सकते हैं, उसमें कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
That depend upon size of the product also. कितना क्या बनाना है सर।
कंडीशंस के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है, कैसी है, क्या है, क्या प्रोडक्ट है, प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है।
प्लास्टिक वेस्ट से कोई रेलवे के स्लीपर्स वगैरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं अदर कंट्रीज, उसका कोई स्टडी वगैरह हुआ है? कारण उससे मास कंजम्पशन ऑफ प्लास्टिक होगा और ड्यूरेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी। अदर कंट्रीज दे आर डूइंग प्लास्टिक वेस्ट, प्लास्टिक से काफी बड़ा इंडस्ट्री मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री इंडिया
नहीं, हमारे इंडिया में भी हमारे एक सिपेट सेंटर हाजीपुर में हम लोगों ने करीब आज से 15 साल पहले वहाँ पे जो नया सेंटर हमारा बना था, वहाँ पे उस समय उस जो रोड बना था कैंपस के अंदर, उसमें प्लास्टिक वेस्ट का उपयोग करते हुए बिटुमिन के साथ में उसको मिक्स करते हुए उसको बनाया था, हमने किया है। उसके एडवांटेज तो है ही, माने एडवांटेज तो है, क्योंकि उसमें उतना परसेंटेज विटामिन का हम लोगों ने कम किया है। साथ में जो प्लास्टिक वेस्ट था उसको हमने यूटिलाइज किया है। बॉन्डिंग एंड कपलिंग जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है इसके साथ में, ग्रेवल्स के साथ में, वो प्लास्टिक की बेटर है। Yeah, whenever we are using it with any other material, okay, it is cost effective. Even though that is in Aurangabad, some of the that is the MIT institution is there. So one professor is there. He has developed some that is with the help of the plastic that is waste. He has developed means whatever जो गड्ढे थे जो जगह जगह, उसको उन्होंने ग्रेवल के साथ में मिक्स करके पैक करके किया है, उसको किया पैचेस कैन बी वी कैन डू। हाँ, नहीं, उस पर कुछ नहीं होता। 40 टेम्परेचर कितना आता है, 45 50 तक जाएगा, ठीक है। तो प्लास्टिक्स तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना, उसको तो ऐसा स्टडी मेरे यहाँ हमारे सेंटर में तो नहीं किया है, बाकी दूसरे सेंटर में हमारे यहाँ स्टडीज हुई है। वो तो रिसर्च पेपर्स जो पब्लिश किए हुए डिपेंड्स अपॉन उसके ऊपर किस टाइप का। हाँ, या श्योर। हम लोग जो हमारा ये है बुलेटिन है, सिपेट बुलेटिन, उसमें हम लोग जो वेरियस स्टडीज जो होती है उसमें हम लोग पब्लिश करते हैं। साथ साथ में कुछ रिसर्च पेपर भी हम लोगों के यहाँ से पब्लिश होते हैं, तो हम भी आप लोग को या जरूर सर। या इवन मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा, हमारे यहाँ एक एंटरप्रेन्योर था जिसने सिविल इंजीनियर, ही वाज अ सिविल इंजीनियर। He has taken a training that is a short duration training course 4 दिन का हमारे यहाँ लिया है. उसके बाद में उन्होंने जो आपने देखा है कि कंक्रीट के जो ये होते हैं डोर के फ्रेम्स होते हैं